Sometimes back, McKinsey and Company released this data, which is shown on your screen, in which they showed how Doordash beat Uber Eats and various other companies in just 3 years by a fair margin. The way they did it is stellar and fascinating. DoorDash targeted restaurants without delivery services, often with pre-existing customer bases, rather than competing for newer restaurants with multiple other providers. DoorDash also acquired restaurants by providing them with not just delivery services but data they never had before, like popular dishes in the area, customer demographics, local delivery times, and much more. DoorDash focused on winning outer suburbs with large family homes, which was an undeserved segment with a much higher average order value than urban regions. When COVID hit, DoorDash supported its dashers and restaurants by offering payment advances and other benefits, creating significant supply growth for their marketplace. So, in a nutshell, what DoorDash did, they saw the opportunity, they developed a plan, and then they executed it to perfection. Data is useless. It's a business insight that were leveraged here by the restaurants, and then the decision to be made from them. It's the insights that count. The final delivered value of interest to customer is the business insight here in this case of DoorDash. But the data in this case is necessary inputs in the value chain for analysis to produce the insights and confidence in the soundness of the declared insight. So, in summary, data as measurement inputs is equal to analysis and interpretation, and then business insights follow, which increases your market share. So, you know your value chain upstream stages as well as final delivery or risk going off the rails. I hope that was exciting. If you have any feedback, please put in the comment section. Thank you.